Welcome back to another helpful tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Claude is disabled error step by step. This issue can happen for several reasons, including account verification problems, VPN conflicts, browser issues, network restrictions, or outdated session data. The good news is that in most cases, the error can be fixed within just a few minutes using a few simple troubleshooting methods. So if Claude AI suddenly stops working or shows a disabled message, this guide will help you get back up and running. Let's jump right in. First, check your Claude account and make sure it is fully verified. This is one of the most common causes of the disabled error. Make sure your email address is confirmed and, if required, verify your phone number as well. Sometimes Claude may temporarily limit access if account verification is incomplete. After confirming your account details, log out of your Claude account completely. Then sign back in using the exact same login method you originally used. For example, if you signed up using Google, continue using Google instead of switching to another login option. This simple re-login process can often refresh your session and fix temporary account problems. Next, check whether you are using a VPN or proxy service. Some VPN servers may trigger security restrictions or make the system think you're accessing Claude from a restricted location. If you currently have a VPN enabled, turn it off completely and refresh the Claude page. After refreshing, try opening Claude again to see if the issue is resolved. Now, let's move on to your internet connection. Sometimes certain networks block AI tools or create connection conflicts. This is especially common on school, university, or workplace Wi-Fi networks. Try switching your network connection. For example, if you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. Or if you're on mobile data, test your regular home Wi-Fi instead. Changing networks can sometimes immediately fix the problem. Another very important fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store outdated session data that can interfere with websites and login systems. Open your browser settings and clear cache, cookies, and browsing data. Once that's done, fully restart your browser and reopen Claude AI. You should also try opening Claude inside an incognito or private browsing window. This helps determine whether browser extensions or saved sessions are causing the issue. If Claude works normally in incognito mode, then one of your browser extensions may be interfering with the website. Another useful troubleshooting step is testing a different browser entirely. For example, if you normally use Chrome, try Firefox, Edge, or Safari instead. You can also test Claude on another device like your phone, tablet, or another computer. This helps identify whether the problem is device-specific or account-related. If none of these methods solve the issue, your final step should be contacting Claude support directly. When contacting support, include a screenshot of the error message and explain any recent changes you made to your browser, VPN, device, or network setup. Providing detailed information can help the support team diagnose the problem much faster. And that's basically all there is to it. As you can see, the Claude is disabled error is usually caused by account verification issues, browser conflicts, VPN settings, or network restrictions, and most users can fix it using these simple troubleshooting steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Claude AI tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and beginner-friendly tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.